Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are interested in learning how I made these Rice Krispie Treats in the shape of a carrot, please stay tuned. You'll need Rice Krispie Treats, Kabob skewers, orange candy melt, edible grass. If you can't find edible grass, then you can use sour apple licorice candy or something similar. You'll also need a piping bag. Take your Rice Krispie Treats and cut them into a V shape. Then place them into the freezer for 5 minutes to firm them up. Melt your orange candy melt according to the instructions on the bag. Then take a Kabob stick, insert it into the center of the Rice Krispie treat, and completely dip them into the candy melt. Tap off the excess. Place them in the freezer for 10 minutes. While the Rice Krispie Treats are in the freezer, prep the green candy by cutting them into even pieces. Once the 10 minutes are up, remove the Kabob stick and insert the green candy into the hole left by the Kabob stick. You can use the Kabob stick to push the candy in further. After the candy are placed in the center, if you feel like you need to cut off a little bit more, then go right ahead. Reheat your leftover candy melt and place it in a piping bag and drizzle zigzags on top of the Rice Krispie treat. Okay, we're done. I hope you enjoy these cute little carrot Rice Krispie Treats. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.